Hey, I'm Casey. I'm going to show you how to trim up the back of your neck using your wall trimmer at home. Okay, so the equipment that you'll need is right here. A handheld mirror, a comb. If you haven't oiled up your trimmers, oil and little brush, and your wall trimmer. To start using my mirror, I'm going to brush down the hair in the back of my neck. Next, using my wall trimmer, I'm going to establish the baseline. So I'm going to use my trimmer facing down, pulling the hair away and creating the bottom line. Okay, so now that we've gotten the line at the bottom, we're going to use the wall trimmer at an angle to get the side lines down. And that's it. That's how you use your wall trimmer at home to line up the back and the sides of your neck.